Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily reactivate Shopify store. So, first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com. And as you can see, I can't get through because my account is deactivated since my free trial has ended. And for us to be able to reactivate it, first is click on this account. First, you will be prompted to review your security settings. And from here, we're just going to confirm. And so, if your Shopify store is suddenly deactivated, that could only mean that your subscription has expired or ended. And for you to be able to get back to business and reactivate your Shopify store, you're going to need to start subscribing to their plan. And from here, start choosing a payment method if you're going to use a credit card or through PayPal. Then, once done, just head over and click on subscribe. And from there, in no time, your Shopify store should be reactivated. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!